How to start a successful e-commerce business with no money using Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create and run a e-commerce business on Shopify with no money. So let's get started. And if you want to learn more, then join us to build your online business of your dreams. So click the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. If you don't know how to do it, it's very simple. You just need Shopify and you need a couple of apps and you are good to go. First, you're going to need Shopify, and you can see you can extend your trial for just $1 for 3 months on any selected plan. And after that, for 3 months, it's going to be just $1. It's literally free. And after that, you can pay it. But I'm sure in 3 months, you will have earned some sort of money. Now, first things first, you're going to go onto your online store and select a theme and create a simple website. You don't really need to create them as we are going to be using a theme. So we're going to be using Dawn themes. First, we're going to use that. You can customize it, change some of the logos and images, and you are good to go. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to add some different products. For that, we have an application. So over here, we'll just simply go with this is the application right here called Deezers. You can import products from AliExpress and it's absolutely free. There's also another application called CJ Dropshipping, which is also really, really cool. And you can import and install this application as well, and it will also allow you to import different products to your Shopify store. And all you have to do is just simply install these applications. Just simply click on the install button and you are good to go. Next, once you've logged it into your Deezers account, all you have to do is just start importing products. Now, to do that, all you have to do is find a supplier. So if you come over here, click on find supplier. Over here, you can find some popular items that are being imported and being sold on different websites such as Shopify. So you can find them over here. Or what you can do is you can just simply come over here onto AliExpress and find a product yourself and just copy the link and paste it over there. Let me just show you. So let's say we want to find this t-shirt, right? So we'll come over here, click on it, copy the link, right? Come back to Deezers and click on supplier optimization, and over here we'll paste the link and we'll click on the search button. It'll upload the information, upload the picture, and find similar looking products with cheaper pricings. So as you can see, it's found some products over here, and you can see the sale numbers as well. You can see the pricing. So over here, this one is pretty cheap. Of course, this is not the same. This is the crop tops, but this is looking very similar. This is the exact same one we want. It's 4.3, it's 4.8 over here, 5.1, 5.8. So you can just simply go ahead and click on this button to import the product into your import list, and we can click on check to check it, and it is imported. Now all we have to do is click on push to store, and we can also select also publish on online store and click on push to store. It'll push this product along with all the information that it has into our Shopify store, and we can start publishing it on our website and start selling it. So it is that simple and that easy. After that, you just simply come over here onto your products, find the product that you just imported. As you can see, it imported every single information, even the description, the pictures, the titles, everything, right? Even the import and inventory as well. So now all you have to do is just simply activate the status, which it already is, since we already did that, and it will be posted onto your online store and you can start selling it online. And that is how you do it. Absolutely free, no charges required. You only need is a couple of dollars and you can create a successful online business, an e-commerce business on Shopify with no money absolutely necessary. So make sure you join us to build your online business dream. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.